Hey, welcome back, and welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I created this pink Valentine's Day look, and if you'd like to see how I did it, then continue watching. Today I will be doing a Valentine's Day look, and I have this self-curated palette here with some really pretty pinks, kind of red tones in there. I'm just really excited about it. I think that Valentine's Day is a very bright and cheery, full of love kind of day. So this is what I've come up with, and I'm just gonna create this look as I go along. So let's get started on this Valentine's makeup look. I've already primed my eyes with concealer and set it with a translucent powder. I used the bareMinerals BareSkin concealer in the shade Light and a translucent finishing powder from my Minerals. I've already done my base today. I just want to keep this video a little shorter, focus on the eyeshadow look. And what can we say about this foundation? I mean, I really just love this stuff. It's actually the my Minerals powder foundation. My perfect shade is Feisty, and I just think it is a great finish, and I just wanted to give a little mention to this foundation. It's one of my favorites to use. And I'm also using a new product that I just got. It's the Honest Beauty Honestly Healthy Brow Gel. So that's what I have on my brows today. This is my first time using it, and so far I do like it. I think it's a good match for my brows and my hair and all that good stuff. I'm gonna start this look off with the shade here in my palette called Zanzibar. I'm using a crease brush. I'm just gonna start working this into my crease. I'm just continuing to build this shade up. Continue adding till I get the desired pigment that I want. I think it's a pretty pink. And now with this lighter shade in my palette here called Soft Melon, just to take a little bit of that and then just run it just to help blend in this eyeshadow so there's no harsh lines or edges up here toward my brow. Just kind of soften that up. I'm now going to take this shade here in Marion Berry and using an Eco Tools dual-sided brush and using the shade side. Going to go ahead and pack this on to my lid. I'm just taking this shade all the way over on my lid and then kind of blending it back into like the socket. And then with that same shade, I'm going to take a shading brush. This one's by Real Techniques. And I'm going to run some of this underneath my lash line. I'm now going to take a little bit of this shade here in Apple Blossom on a smudge brush from Eco Tools. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that right here toward the inner corner of my eye under my lower lash line. Just add a little bit of color here. A little brightness And then with my soft melon shade here again, I'm gonna take a little bit of that on a Real Techniques blend shadow brush. And then just run that a little bit underneath my lower lash line here. Just to soften that edge up. Just gonna blend things. I'm now going to highlight my inner corner with this shade here in Starluster, using an e.l.f. blending eye brush. I'm gonna pop some of this in my inner corner here. And right here at my brow bone. I'm now going to add a wing. I'm going to be using a eyeliner pencil today. It is from Hippie Chic Cosmetics and it is in black. Just going to start adding my wing. And I'm not going all the way over into my inner corner. I'm just going about 2/3 of the way over. And then with a cotton swab, I'm just going to run this alongside the edge of my wing here. And I have a whole tutorial on how I do my winged liner. I can link that above for you guys. And then taking this shade here in Luxe, a black eyeshadow, I'm going to take an angle brush and then go over the top of my eyeliner. And I really like to add the black eyeshadow over the black eyeliner. It just intensifies it and it sets it, gives it just this almost kind of slightly blurred but still prominent look to it. I just really enjoy it. I'm now going to add some mascara, and this one is the Burts Bees Nourishing Mascara. It's one of my go-tos, my favorite mascara. This one is in Classic Black. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this. Now that I've got my mascara all applied, I'm going to add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. Just using the same bareMinerals BareSkin concealer that I used earlier, just to clean things up a bit. Add a couple dots and then blend that out with my finger. And I just take my finger here and run it along the side, just clean everything up real good here on the outer edges. And then with the Real Techniques setting brush, I'm just going to set that concealer under my eye. And now to finish this look, I am going to add some lip products. I'm going to be using a matte lipstick. It's called Wink of Pink. It's a bareMinerals product. Go ahead and add some of this here. Now I think this matte pink looks really pretty with this look, but I want to add a little bit of gloss. So I'm going to be using the bareMinerals gloss in this shade Sugar, I believe. I always get this one mixed up, but I will have it linked below for clarification. It's this nice thick gloss. I really like it. I've had it for a while, but I still haven't ran out. And just a little tip, I used this shade here, the Zanzibar shade that I also used in my crease as blush. It's just this really nice monochromatic look that ties everything in together. So if you find that your blush just really isn't matching like your pink eyeshadows, then use your eyeshadow as blush, and then it just kind of all comes together with that shade, and I just love it. I think it's a beautiful pairing, so that's just a little tip I thought I'd share and throw in there. And here's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed following along as I created it. I had so much fun doing it. I just love pink eyeshadows, especially around Valentine's Day. And I think with the lip colors and the eyeshadow as blush, I think it just, oh, just chef's kiss. It just comes together so well. And I hope that you guys can create a similar look with the products in your collection. Just pink eyeshadows, black eyeliner for that wing, and your favorite mascara and lip gloss or lipstick, and you'll be all set for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, take care. Bye.